What is going on, Angelo family? So today we have an interesting video. Is it worth it to pay $3,000 a year to go to Equinox? So I signed up to become an Equinox member, and I am going to Equinox for the first time today. So we'll see how this goes. Very interested in seeing how everything goes because it's my first time working out there, and I usually pay like $10 a month at Crunch, to be honest with you. And this is the first time I'm going to an expensive gym. They had a little special. I think it was like zero down for initiation, as well as you have whole free month of November and October. And never worked out in Equinox. Like I've had like a trial pass, but I've never like fully worked out. So I want to do all the classes. I want to do all the workouts. I'm huge into working out, and I've been really focusing on a whole bunch of career stuff lately. So it's nice to just jump back into fitness and working out. So I'm pretty excited, and we'll see if this is worth the whole like $3,000 a year. And let's. I know Sam Sog does like his workouts in like bodybuilding workouts. So I want to do my bodybuilding workouts out of crazy gym. And shout out Sam Slug. I love his videos. That guy makes great content. I actually watch all his stuff, like the full 30 minutes to an hour. So it should be fun just to kind of do something a little similar, but we'll mix it up at a Equinox to see if it's worth it. And I'll do classes and weightlifting stuff. My fitness goals are kind of interesting right now. Weighing in around 175. I do want to cut to 160 or so and just kind of stay really lean and aesthetic most of my life. So we'll try and get down there, and let me just document the whole fitness journey with you. So day one, we're going to be doing arms in a biking workout at Equinox. So we'll see how it goes, guys. I'm very excited. I'm just staying, honestly, the way I work out in the morning now is I've kind of enjoyed it is like I just stay fasted. So I have a black coffee here. I drink a little black coffee. My stomach feels very hungry right now, but I feel good. And then for diet, I'm probably gonna be, I've been just experimenting with this whole ground beef, meat, avocado, and eggs, and I've been feeling pretty good. I did one day of that yesterday, day two of that today, and we'll see how it goes, because right now I'm just trying to optimize feeling great, because I've been eating a whole bunch of carbs, processed foods. I feel horrible, skin's been breaking out, and I don't like it. Side note, got a perm, so my hair is a little curly now, and this is my drive to the Equinox. It looks so fancy and bougie. Look at it, guys. Straight, like, gorgeous roads, and then just super pretty. Like, I don't know. It gets me excited. Hopefully it's sunny like this all the time, but right now it's super sunny and I'm enjoying it. Sometimes it does get super foggy here. All right, this gym, okay, the gym's a little fancy. They have a Tesla charger here. You can charge your car, and it just looks super bougie. So just got here at the Equinox location, see if it's worth $300 a month. Well, this one's like $220. Voila, Equinox. So I think they even have a valet here sometimes. There's an earth bar. Someone's motorcycles right here. Look how pretty it is, though. Got an earth bar, fancy lounge, and a mobile display. All right, let's go lift weights. Here's the gym so far. So, a little basic weight setup over here.
These are
essential, kind of like dumbbell. Straight
our new guy.
Oh, and then overall, pretty nice. Very not busy, so I do enjoy that right now. But anyways, pretty simple, nice, pretty cool. I like it. I think you can find everything you have at a normal gym, but the equipment is clean, up to date, and the gym is clean. So overall, we're doing back and biceps today, so let's keep hitting. So overall, gym's nice. It's not crowded at all. I'm able to get kind of a workout in. Usually at most gyms I can't work out at all. It's very busy, but here it is busy, but there's enough for you to like actually get your workout in, which is nice. And yeah, overall, so far so good. Gonna keep working out, doing strength training with some arms and back, and then we have a workout within the cycling workout after. So let's keep going.
Anybody who push themselves that hard, right? But if it's between, have you heard this slogan? It's kind of a tough thing to say, but ER, right? Either I'm going to get my personal record or I'm going to the emergency room.
All right, just finished our first, I guess, workout here. We did a lift as well as a biking cardio session, and we'll see how many calories we burned. So let's see. About 95 minutes of working out, and then we burned 837 calories. It's a fun start to the day. Today I'm gonna go for a run next, but overall we're gonna get to that 160. I'm calling it, y'all. Daily uploads till we get there. We did it. We made it to the gym. It's 12 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get probably an hour and a half workout right now. Did not feel like coming in at all, but we showed up. So part 2, we're at the Equinox. Let's see if it's worth it to work out here. So it's very nice, super bougie. Look at all the freaking cars, they're so nice. But I'm just trying to have fun with it, trying to lose weight and then just inspire everyone to stay fit, but it's very hard. So we'll see how it goes, guys. As we just got to the gym, we're gonna do probably a quick 10-minute like weightlifting thing because we signed up for yoga. So I'm gonna be doing yoga for an hour, I believe. So weekend yoga and then 10 minutes of lifting. So let's just bang this out real quick.
Spiral in the ribs, include the shoulders, include the head and the hands. High hypertrophy of violence. It needs you where you're going. Where do you look? Body follows.
All right, guys. So I just finished the yoga. It was cool. I felt like it was more so for me to stretch out, and I feel really good, like relaxed now. Didn't really sweat too much, which is, I guess, nice. But now we're gonna go actually get into the real workout, which is I'm gonna do shoulders today. So let's hit shoulders today. It should be fun. Kind of tired, but I'm pushed through it. Probably 30 minutes of fun. Let's go. Side note, I've been noticing, now that I think of it, when I was at Equinox this morning for my workout, I was very impressed with how fit everyone was. A lot of people there look like they have been training for a while compared to, like you're running in the gym, right? So I was surprised, like a lot of the trainers were pretty fit. And then a lot of the people working out looked like they were in their 40s, 50s, or 30s. They were so buff. It was crazy. I was just very, very impressed. Also, I feel like you're getting a different quality of type of gym and environment when you're working out at Equinox. It seems very like posh or high end, and it's kind of interesting for me because I've never worked out like at a high end gym before. I usually work out at a Crunch, and then at Google, like the gym there is really nice. It's like super high tech, state of the art, but honestly, no one was really working out. Everyone's like either working or getting the free food. The cafeteria was the most busy, but the gym wasn't even that busy, which is kind of crazy. So seeing how like fancy schmancy this gym was really interesting for me, to be quite frank with you, right? But the equipment you're gonna see there, it's all the same equipment that you're gonna see like if you were to go to your Crunch or Planet Fitness. It's just that the equipment looks like it's a little bit more maintained and well kept. Also the classes seemed a little bit more like you get better equipment when you go to classes. The rooms are a lot nicer at the at the Equinox gyms, right? Also, the showers and the locker rooms are really nice. It's really posh. It's really fancy looking. Like, really, really fancy looking. That's what you're going to notice whenever you go to these types of gyms. And like the food court looked pretty cool. I gotta grab food next time I'm there. I think I mentioned it earlier in the video, but the shakes look really good, but they're probably really expensive. I'm pretty sure they're like 15 to 20 bucks, to be honest with you, on top of your $20 membership, which is crazy. But I mean, it does attract a certain type of clientele whenever you do work out there. So that's one thing to keep in mind. With regards to my bodybuilding friends, I think you can definitely bodybuild there. They have everything you need. Like, they have squat racks, they have dumbbell bench presses, they have all like the dumbbells, barbells, whatever you need, and then like all the weightlifting machines are pretty high-end weightlifting machines, and then cardio machines are on point. They have everything you need with regards to cardio, so Stairmasters, treadmills, ellipticals, hot towels in case you want to wash your hands, and it's just really nice and super fancy. That's what I've kind of noticed about the whole gym there. So I'll probably go tomorrow too. I'm going tomorrow for sure. I'll record that too for y'all, so that'll be part of the whole series of everything. So. But we weighed in at 175 today, which is really good. So I'm pretty excited. 15 pounds to go. And the thing about losing weight is that even though you lose weight, you still like you get to be that person at 175. You get to be that person at 170. You get to be that person at 165. I noticed at 165 I started looking really good. So in 10 pounds, I feel pretty good. So I'm excited for that. So just keep that in mind whenever you do cut. Like, you don't have to wait till, it's not like this all or nothing where it's like you don't like how you look. Like, you have to wait till 160 to start enjoying how you look. Like, you get there, you get to enjoy different phases of your physique, and you get to see the progress as you kind of progress. So it is fun. So don't get me wrong there. And I'm excited for y'all to see the whole transformation and to just vlog everything. So yeah, I'll see everyone in a bit.